Now we'll study the factors which affect the friction force acting on a body, and there are two main factors which we'll discuss here. One is the weight of body which is sliding over a surface, and the second one is the nature of surface which is in contact, that is the material. Now let us discuss both of these factors one by one. The very first one is the weight of body. Here we can write that on horizontal surfaces, the friction force is directly proportional to the weight of body which is sliding on a surface. Here you can see there are two situations which are shown over here. The first one is a case when the body is relatively lighter, and the second one is for a body which is relatively heavier. Now if both are pulled with the help of a spring balance, you can see the first body starts sliding when the reading of a spring balance is less. That means the friction acting on the surface of body is less when it starts sliding. And in case of heavier body, here you can see the body starts sliding when spring balance is pulled with a larger force, or you can see the reading of a spring balance when the body starts sliding is more. That means in this situation the friction 2, that is the second case friction, is more than the friction in the first case when the body is lighter. The second factor which we'll discuss here is the nature of surfaces in contact. This section at a basic qualitative level we have discussed in previous sections when we were talking about that friction depends on the material. Here we can write friction between surfaces in contact is less for smooth surfaces and more for rough surfaces. Basic idea we already discussed about it in previous section. Here you can see there is one wooden surface and other is a glass surface on which two equal weight objects are placed, and these are pulled with the help of spring balances. In first case of wood, here you can see when it is pulled, you can see it starts sliding when the reading of a spring balance is quite high. That means the friction between the body and the wood is relatively large. And in the second case, you can see it starts sliding when the reading of a spring balance is quite low compared to the first case. That means the friction between the same weight body and glass is less compared to that of same weight body and wood. So in this situation here you can see the friction acting in first case is greater than friction acting in second case because the nature of surfaces on which the body is sliding are different.